Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on May 29, 1453. Fall of Constantinople ends the Byzantine Empire. On May 29, 1453, the powerful Ottoman army, led by Sultan Mehmed II, captured the great city of Constantinople. This event brought an end to the Byzantine Empire, which had lasted for over 1,000 years. The fall of the city shocked Europe and changed the course of history. Many Greek scholars escaped to Western Europe, bringing old books and ideas with them. These ideas helped spark a time of learning and creativity known as the Renaissance. The Ottomans renamed the city Istanbul, and it became their new capital. 1913, premiere of Stravinsky's The Rite of Spring sparks a riot. Igor Stravinsky's ballet, The Rite of Spring, debuted in Paris on May 29, 1913. Its avant-garde music and unconventional choreography shocked the audience, leading to a riot during the performance. This event became a landmark moment in modern art, symbolizing a break from traditional forms and the beginning of a new artistic era. 1917, John F. Kennedy is born. John F. Kennedy, who later became the 35th President of the United States, was born on May 29, 1917, in Massachusetts. As president, he inspired many people with his speeches and ideas, especially during tough times like the Cold War. He supported space exploration and helped start the journey that would land a man on the moon. Sadly, he was assassinated in 1963, but his words and actions still influence America today. People remember him as a symbol of hope and progress. 1953, first climbers reached the top of Mount Everest. On May 29, 1953, Edmund Hillary from New Zealand and Tenzing Norgay, a Sherpa from Nepal, made history by reaching the top of Mount Everest. This mountain is the highest in the world, and many people had tried and failed to climb it. Their successful journey amazed the world and showed how strong and determined humans can be. The climb was dangerous and difficult, but their teamwork and courage led them to victory. They became heroes and inspired adventurers everywhere. 1954, Diane Leather runs a mile in under 5 minutes. On May 29, 1954, Diane Leather from Britain became the first woman to run a mile in under 5 minutes. She finished the race in just 4 minutes and 59.6 seconds. At the time, many people believed women couldn't handle such fast and long runs, but Diane proved them wrong with her amazing performance. Her achievement opened the door for women in sports and encouraged others to push beyond limits. She became a role model for female athletes around the world. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.